What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to protect your Uphold account from hacking. So let's get straight into the video. And the first step is to enable two-factor authentication. So I recommend that you enable two-factor authentication, and that's going to give your accounts an extra layer of protection. And you can do that by first logging into your Uphold account on the mobile app or the website, and then go to the security tab and click on two-factor authentication, and then choose an authentication method. You could use Google Authenticator or via SMS, and then just follow the prompts to set up a two-factor authentication. Now the second is to always use a strong and unique password. So you got to use a password manager to generate a strong and unique password, and then avoid using easily guessable informations like name, date of birth, and all that. And the third is always to change your password regularly. But please don't forget that it's easy to forget what your new password is. So always have a place where you save your new password whenever it is you change them, and make sure that place is secure so you don't end up having an issue where you input a password and you can't remember it anymore. Now the third tip, of course, is to keep your account information up to date. So you got to ensure that your email address and your phone numbers are up to date, and you need to verify your account information regularly. The fourth is to monitor your account activities. So you got to regularly review your account activities to detect any suspicious transactions, and also you got to set up account alerts to notify you of unusual activities. Another one is to use a secure internet connection. So you need to avoid using public Wi-Fi's or unsecured internet connections to access your Uphold accounts. Those aren't safe. So although they might seem free, but they aren't safe. The hackers and stuff can easily get access to your accounts through these means. So you could use a virtual private network VPN to encrypt your internet connections, and that's going to give you an extra layer of security. Also, you need to keep your device and browser secure, and you can do this by first ensuring that your device and browsers are up to date with the latest security patches. And also, please use antivirus softwares to protect your device from malware. Another layer is to be cautious of phishing scam. Now you need to be wary of emails or messages that ask you for your Uphold account information. You need to know that no one is normally supposed to know these things except you. So whenever you receive an email or a message asking for your Uphold account information, maybe saying they need to help you with an extra layer of security and they need to get access to your account, and you need to tell them, that's obviously a phishing scam. So don't fall for that. And please also never click on suspicious links or download attachment from unknown sources, because those could easily gain access to your private information. Now of course you could also use Uphold security features, and this is going to help you out. So you need to enable Uphold account freezing features to temporarily freeze your account in case of suspicious activities. I discussed this in another video, you can go check it out. So also you need to use Uphold's withdrawal whitelisting features to restrict withdrawals to specific addresses, and that's going to help you. So even if someone gets access to your account, they're not going to be able to send the money anywhere else except these whitelist features. Except these specific addresses, they're not going to be able to send money anywhere else. So that's going to help you keep your account a lot more secure. That's pretty much it for my tips and tricks. So that's pretty much it for the methods. I hope you guys liked the videos. If you did, like the video, and of course comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because that helps us out a lot. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.